Why you want to bring lumpia?
Because my whole family loves Harry Jean's lumpia very much. Yeah, the lumpia is great. Yeah, and everybody.
What else you like?
You go in the bathroom. Yeah.
Dominic says he likes fresh coconut.
I'm okay. I liked it in the Philippines.
Filipino eggplant. Or American eggplant.
That's one.
Baby James is enjoying the donut. Hi guys! What's up? And welcome back to sa ating panibagong video. How are you, Baby James? Yeah? Hi everybody! We are back. So we're fixing Baby James' hair right now. And we are ready, guys. Nagre-ready kami. Kasi pupunta kami ng Asian store. Kasi in 2 days from now, birthday na ni Baby James. He's almost 2 years old. Woohoo! Happy birthday! Birthday boy! Yeah, so birthday niya na guys. So, doon kami magse-celebrate sa parents ni Dominic. And magdadala lang kami ng mga food na dadalhin namin tsaka yung gift namin kay James. So, it's a small group family dinner lang siya guys. And plano namin, request nila guys, magdadala daw ako ng lumpia. Tapos, dadala na lang din kami ng pork skewer or barbecue na baboy. So, maghahanap tayo ng ingredients doon sa Asian store. This is our outfit for today. Baby James and Mama. So, nag-hairband na ako guys kasi ayaw ko magtali ng buhok. And, say hello. Say hello. Nilagyan ko ng gel yung buhok niya. Kasi tumatayo to siya guys. Tapos may bangs siya. So, para matago yung bangs niya. James! Hi!
Hey, just got off work.
You're gonna drive us to Asian. Why you want to bring lumpia?
For James's birthday?
Yeah.
Because my whole family loves Harry Jean's lumpia very much.
Yeah?
I like her lumpia too.
You like my lumpia?
Yeah, the lumpia is great. Yeah, and everybody.
What else you like?
Your coconuts? Does that count?
He doesn't like my coconut water.
That's true. It's disgusting.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like
Me
real
and James
coconuts,
like it.
Like from the Philippines when you climb a tree. Did he go in the bathroom?
Tingnan yung bata. Nag-alaga kasi kami ng pusa ng best friend ni Dominic. So, andito yung kanyang pop-up thing. And then dito yung kanyang cage, tsaka yung kanyang pagkain guys, tsaka tubig niya sa bathroom namin. And itong bata na to, ay,
Come on.
lagi yan siya dito pumapunta. Tapos paglaruan tong tubig. Tapos yung pagkain dito, tingnan nyo, nasa labas na. Kasi pinaglalaroan niya. Let's go!
Rub it. Barely.
Can you hit your head?
It's okay. It's alright. Yeah, there you clap it out. Yeah. There you go.
It's a poggy.
It's a thing when he's mad. It's not where you clap.
Yay. Say hi. Hi. Hi, people. Hi, best friends. They're your friends. Hi, friends. Can you say hi, friends? Look, did you see the friend over there? You see the friend?
Isn't it just James?
Alright, guys. Let's go outside kasi madilim na sa labas. It's only 5:30, I believe, or
Around
over
there,
6.
yeah.
So it's like around 5:30 p.m. and it's already dark, guys, kasi winter nga, di ba? So ayan, let's go outside. Pupunta na kami ng car.
I don't got much of a beard, but he likes the stubble.
It's nothing in there, eh?
Alright, let's get your jacket on.
Alright, let's go guys! Samahan nyo kami. Let's do this! It's been a while na pumunta kami ng Asian store kasi medyo malayo-layo na yung tirahan namin sa Asian store. How many minutes do you think, babe?
I guess will be
30 minutes? 20 minutes. So, ayan guys. So, lumipat na kami dito sa bagong apartment. And 20 minutes na lang siya guys. Dati, yung last na tinitirahan namin is 45 minutes. Parang ganun. So, ngayon, mas malapit na. Kaya, sana makakapunta kami doon palagi para bumili ng mga Asian food. Lalong-lalo na yung ating Filipino food. Kasi, nag-grocery kami always sa, it's either Aldi or Walmart. So, wala mga gaanong Asian food doon. So, I'm excited! And then, pagkatapos nating umuwi galing sa ating grocery, guys, ibabalot natin yung gift na binili ni Dominic for James. Actually, Dominic and James chooses the toys para sa gift niya. Pero, nung dumating sila dito sa bahay, tinago agad ni Dominic yung toys para hindi makita ni James. So, ayan, ibabalot natin siya today kasi bukas, lulutuin natin yung ating lumpia tsaka yung ating pork barbecue. And then, the next day is birthday na ni James. And si Dominic gonna work until 5 p.m. And then, after niya mag-work, diretso na kami sa mama niya para i-celebrate yung birthday ni James. Alright! Let's go, guys! Let's go! Nasa car seat ng ating baby James. And ayan, Daddy is driving.
Hello.
I'm gonna drive soon. Ayan, it's only 5:30 p.m. Ang dilim-dilim na niya. Palis na kami sa apartment. Hi, James! Why are you covering your eyes? Ha? He's eating some apples. Nandito na kami, guys. Ayan, Saraga International Grocery.
Say, Mommy, that's blinding.
So, James, hi!
Hi, Mom.
Tell him, let's go! Come on!
Mom.
Come on, Mom!
Can we put his diaper bag down there?
Yeah. Nandito kami sa Saraga International Grocery.
Can you play some music?
And ito yung entrance. Guys, they got some mango. Wala pang kubal, guys. Oh, it's like almost $6. Depende. Grapes. Dominic says he likes fresh coconut.
I'm okay. I liked it in the Philippines.
fresh-
It's not
fresh
fresh.
coconut.
It's not fresh. Fresh is off the tree.
Don't have straws well.
Oh. Yeah, James. James, what's that?
Isang kalabasa. Ito guys, kalabasa. $3.
Whoa. You said 3?
Kalabasa. James, kalabasa. Fresh berries is so pricey.
What's here, James?
I found cacao. Do you know how much is this cacao?
How much?
So James, cacao. Oh, cacao.
It's gonna throw it, babe. So you can be careful.
$7, $8.
There we go.
Sorry. You want a Filipino eggplant? Or American eggplant?
Which one? Mommy's so funny, James.
We got a, what is this? Indian. Some jackfruit.
He's mad he can't grab the fruits.
We got some jackfruit. It's $1.30. Jackfruit, small.
Per pound, probably.
Look at that.
So I think it's probably like $20.
But it's like already ruined.
Ruin. Does.
For you.
What? Oh, yeah.
What?
I'm okay. Right now.
Coconut. This is James' first time here. Before he's just
That's
in my
true.
belly.
Yeah, probably.
You want it? Coconut.
He doesn't know.
You wanna buy?
We have a bunch of fruit from New Year's.
Guys, we find, look at this. Look. We found the lumpia wrapper. Ayan guys, I'm excited. So they have a different types. Ayan, ilang peraso kaya to? 25 sheets. Ito, ibang brands din to. 25 sheets din siya. So, 30. Ayan. But normally, ito yung binibili ko, guys. Ayan. It's product of the Philippines, oh, di ba? So, ito yung bibilhin ko.
Ah,
Pork belly. Pork belly.
Wait.
So, we got some pork bellies for our pork barbecue. Para may taba-taba siya. Yeah, beef.
don't touch it.
A pork.
Dancing.
It says, guys, for pork barbecue, I can use pork shoulder or pork belly. Go? Guys, look at that. They got some fresh fat pork. Tapos may pork skin din siya dito, oh. Pang chicharon. So, binibenta din nila yung buntot dito. Ayan, buntot ng baboy. $8. Nice, get some leche flan.
How are you?
Get some churros right here. Some more bread. Hi, James!
Mommy, we're gonna give you donuts in the car.
Just eating kasi wanna eat our bread. And ayan na yun nabili namin, guys. Igo-grocery haul natin yan mamaya pagdating natin sa bahay. Yan. We're gonna get the bread. You wanna eat the bread? Ow, someone is sleepy. Give me,
Here's
Daddy.
your donuts.
Oh,
Put it inside.
yay. Yes, yes, please. Beep, 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 beep.
Eat it.
Bye.
Hi! James is eating the donut. Sigang umiyak talaga siya, guys, kasi gusto niyang kainin yung donut. So, ito yung mga tinapay na nabili namin. Matigas na siya, guys. Pero yung donut, malambot pa siya. Tapos, meron ditong Cheerios. Ayan. Ayan, Cheerios, guys. Parang Spanish bread siya. It's not Spanish bread, parang Spanish recipe siya. Kasi nakatikim ako nito, first time ko nakatikim nito sa Havana, Cuba. Pero fresh talaga yung doon, guys, kasi hinihintay mo habang niluluto nila. Pero ito matigas na siya. But it's okay, Baby James is enjoying the donut. Nandito kami sa Kroger, guys. Bibili kami ng cake ni James. Maliit lang na cake para lang may ma-blow siya. Ayan, guys, nandito kami sa Kroger. Ayan, grocery.
Next to our
Grocery
house.
store next lang sa aming house.
Hoping to get a cake.
Number 2. It's your candle.
Happy birthday, James. He looks so uncomfortable. He said you're finding cakes, and then she's walking away.
It's like a medium size for this. But then it's like too big already. Like midway of this one.
Yeah.
Guys, okay, I'll show you. Suka dito cookies and cream. Ganyan, $18 lang siya, guys. Another option. Meron din siyang red velvet. Ayan. Same price lang din. Meron din ditong chocolate cake. Tapos may yellow cake. Yung iba kasi maliit na. Hindi siya kalaki. Ayan. Ganito kalaki naman is $6. Tapos meron naman ditong sobrang laki. Ayan, yellow cake. Same price lang sila. $27. This one looks good, babe. Card cake
Well, James,
with cream cheese.
you're gonna make a cheesecake and my spicy cake.
Okay. You ask her. James! Oh no! Take your balloon! We're going home? Where are we going?
Say home.
Wait, wait. No.
Oh no!
Wait.
Show them your apple, babe. Oh, look at that. Let me see. Hiram ko apple, babe. I showed them your apple. James likes only the skin. Yummy.
What's this?
Wait.
Your balloon's dying. You gotta warm it up. Hold your balloon. Show mom.
Show your balloon. Oh, yay! What happened to your balloon?
Oh.
Oh, no. That's $7 in there.
Mm-hmm. There you go. Waking up.
And show them the James cake. Ayan, ito na yung napili naming cake for James. It's a red velvet, guys. And may expire siya sa January 18. So, ayan, $18 lang. Yan, red velvet cake.
Delicious. Does James like red velvet? He likes all cake. Right?
Yeah. James is
think
not
he-
picky so far.
Oh, I found the donut.
Yeah. Oh, no!
That's not for you.
How do you know that the donut is on that bag?
She walked up. Here it is.
Oh, James! You're so funny.
It's your dinner
What
time.
did you get? Donut? Huh? See, me and James, that's our favorite dad. If you want to surprise us,
When you ate those
Now
every
you
day when you
know.
were pregnant.
now you know.
Now I know.
You know, okay? What's our favorite,
Oh, I
okay?
know. I know yours. I didn't know it was his.
So, ayan na yung mga nabili nating grocery sa ating Asian store. Papakita ko sa inyo, guys. Tara. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga nabili namin doon kasi hindi na ako nakapag-film kung ano yung mga nabili namin doon kanina kasi nahihiya kami. So, I was like the one who's choosing all the foods and I asked Dominic to film, but Dominic is shy. So, whatever is the clips, the video that you've seen in this vlog, it's credit to my videographer. Thank you so much. Ito yung meat na gagamitin natin sa ating pork barbecue. Meron ako nakitang pork belly, pero mahal siya, tapos konti lang yung meat. So, nabili ko itong whole pork shoulder. So, ayan guys, ang laki nito. Ta-da! And it's, almost 8 pounds na siya, kaya ang dami. So, pag hindi ko siya maubos sa pork barbecue natin for James' birthday, ikikip ko siya and gagawin nating adobo. Almost $22 yung price niya. Next naman is meron tayo ditong cilantro. Ilalagay natin to sa ating lumpia. Mura lang to guys. Dalawa na sila, $1 lang. Ayan. $1. So, 50 cents yung isa. Spring onions or dahon ng sibuyas. Ilalagay din natin to sa ating spring roll. Ayan. So, 50 cents lang din siya yung isang bugkus. Calamansi juice, sana yung gagamitin natin. Pero wala akong may mahanap sa Asian store. So, ito na lang yung imamarinate natin sa ating pork barbecue. So, kukunin natin yung juice neto. Meron tayo ditong bean sprouts. Ayan guys, i-chop-chop ko lang siya and then i-mix natin to sa ating lumpia. Ito naman, we bought it for almost $2.35. Fresh bay leaves, ayan. Mas mura yung fresh bay leaves guys kaysa yung dry. Kasi ito, marami na siya and it's only $1.60. Tsaka alam niyo man pag fresh, mas mabango siya kaysa sa dried leaves. Stick, pantusok sa ating barbecue. 8 inches long siya and 100 pieces na din siya. It's only 99 cents. Yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina na made in Philippines, hindi ko siya napili kasi parang ang ninipis ng ano niya, ng sheets niya guys. So, kinuha ko tong Chinese, nakalagay, hindi ko alam. Chinese word siya. So, ito yung binili ko. And nakalagay kasi easy peel. And medyo makapal siya. So, yung isang peraso nito is 25 sheets. Dalawa yung kinuha ko, kaya makakagawa tayo ng 50 pieces na lumpia. And then, almost $3 yung isa na ito. So, not bad na din. Kalabasa! Ayan, kalahati lang ng kalabasa yung nabili ko. Nabili namin siya ng $2.43. Parang bata pa nga niya, guys, eh. Tapos, binenta na nila. Pero, na-miss ko yung mga Filipino gulay natin. Meron din tayo dito kangkong. Lulutuin ko ito bukas. Ayan. Ano tayo? Gagawa tayo ng kangkong adobo. Ayan. Kangkong. Napakasarap. Or baka magtitinola tayo yung matirang pork belly. Ilalagay natin dito. Gigisahin natin. Meron din tayong Hindi ko alam kung magkano ito kasi wala siyang price. But anyway, kahit mahal siya, bibilihin kasi na-miss ko yung kangkong. And then, meron tayo dito Philippine eggplant. Kanina pala pinakita ko din sa inyo kung ano yung mga iba't ibang klase ng eggplants doon sa Asian store. So, mayroon dong American eggplant, Philippine eggplant, Indian. Nakita nyo kanina, diba? So, bang liit niya. Meron din doon Indonesian. So, ito yung Philippine eggplant natin. Gagawa ko ng tortang talong, guys. Ayan, para pang breakfast namin. Tortang talong, nagustuhan din yun siya ni Dominic. Kasi dati, nung kakarating ko lang dito sa USA, wala pa akong trabaho noon. So, talaga mahilig ako magluto ng mga Philippine. Yung apartment na tinitirahan namin dati is malapit lang siya, like 2 minutes away from Asian store. So, ayan. Bumili lang ako ng 3. Kasi this week, nakapag-grocery na kami, nakapagluto na ako. And then, sa Wednesday, pupunta kami sa birthday ni James. So, baka masira lang yung pagkain. Babalik na lang kami doon next time. So, 3 lang yung binili ko. Sakto na yan. Meron din tayo dito malunggay. Fresh na malunggay, guys. Hindi ko alam kung magkano. Pero, bahala na. Ayan, gagawa ko ng chicken tinola with malunggay. Kasi gumagawa din naman ako dito ng chicken tinola. Pero instead of malunggay, ang ginagamit ko is spinach. Pero masarap din siya, guys. Ayan, favorite namin 3. Yung ginagamit talaga namin na oil dito sa bahay is olive oil, guys. Pero, nabasa ko na hindi pala talaga recommended yung olive oil kapag nagde-deep fried ka. Kasi hindi nagiging crispy yung lumpia. So, ito yung gagamitin natin, vegetable oil. So, $10 ata yung bili ni Dominic dito kanina. Naalala ko kasi nakita ko to eh. And then, meron tayo ditong sweet chili sauce. Ayan, pang sausaw ng ating lumpia. Meron din tayo ditong Mang Tomas. And guys, Mang Tomas, pang sausaw sa ating pork barbecue. And then, meron din tayo ditong kamayan ginisang bagoong. Hindi ko pa alam ba't bagoong yung tawag dito is shrimp paste siya. So, sa amin, tawag namin dito is shrimp paste. Tawag namin doon sa probinsya namin is ginamos. And then, yung bagoong sa amin is yung isda. Ayan, isda siya, yung dilis na isda, tapos ginawang bagoong. Tapos kapag sinabing shrimp paste, yun naman ang tawag sa amin is ginamos. So, nakakalito, diba? But anyway, yan lang yung nabili natin sa Asian store. And bumili din kami kanina ng bread. Nakain na namin, guys, ubos na. Si James, isang buong donut talaga yung kinain niya. Tapos yung Cheerios, tig-isa kami ni Dominic. So, ayan na, guys! Thank you so much. Come here, James. I wanna say goodbye. Ayan, say. Thank you so much, everybody. I'm gonna see you on my birthday. Let's see na lang kung makapag-film tayo sa birthday ni James. Kasi, alam niyo naman, guys, yung family ni Dominic, ayaw nila sa social media, ayaw nila sa video. So, try ko makakuha ng clips. Pero mag-film ako habang gumawa na ako ng lumpia tsaka ng ating pork barbecue. And tomorrow yan. And then, habang kakain si James mamaya, ibabalot natin yung kanyang gift. Kiss mommy! Bye-bye, everybody! Thank you so much for watching our vlog and thank you so much for coming with us today. Hope nag-enjoy kami sa aming Asian grocery. Bye-bye! Say bye-bye. Bye, James. Bye-bye, guys! Thank you so much. Say mwah. Love you. La 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 la.